channel. My name is Simplykrystelle. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this look right here. I thought I would give the whole soft glam go-to glam video a try. So this is my go-to soft glam look that I like to wear if I'm going out. Well, now with COVID there's no going out anymore, but when I used to go out, I would always just any occasion, like if I'm going out to dinner or something and I want to dress up and I have a go-to like glam look, this is the look that I would usually wear. I love to wear rosy tones, pink tones, berry tones on my eyes, and I just really love this soft glam look. It looks great on women of color, darker skin, and it'll look good too if you're lighter skin as well. But I just love this. This is my go-to soft glam look. And if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep watching, and thank you again for watching. So I'm going to start off with my Colourpop Nude Mood palette, and I'm going to take the shade Au Naturel, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. And I did prime my eyelids with the Urban Decay primer just to kind of make the colors pop, because as you see, it gives my eyelids like a white look, so it just really helped to make the colors show more on my skin. Now I'm going to take that shade, the Cocoa. It has little specks of glitter in it, but it doesn't really show in my eyes. But I'm applying that to my crease area just to deepen it up a little bit. And you don't really see the little specks of glitter in it. You see them very, very faintly, but it's not going to be like anything like super dramatic. But I'm adding that shade to deepen up my crease area. And to kind of blend out my edges to make sure to get rid of all those sharp lines, I took that light pink from my e.l.f. Bite Size palette. I have the berry shade one, and I'm just using that shade to kind of blend any harsh lines away that I might have created from all the dark colors. Now I'm going to take that dark berry shade in the palette, the matte one, and I'm going to apply that to my outer V to create that depth to the look. And I'm doing this very slowly. I start with a little bit and I just build up the color. You don't want to go in with a lot of dark shadow because you don't want it to be muddy. You just want to build it up slowly and slowly. Now I'm taking my lid shade Wink Wink from the Nude palette. That's so cute, Wink Wink. And I'm going to apply that on my lids. It's such a beautiful, reflective, silvery shade, and it just ties the look together. It's so beautiful. That's it for the eyes for now. Now I'm going to prime my face with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. For foundation, I'm taking the Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation. I haven't used this in forever, and I forgot how much I love this thing. For concealer, I'm taking the Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer to highlight. Now I'm taking my Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder and setting those places where I applied concealer. Now I'm taking the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless setting powder and just setting the rest of my face where I applied foundation just to set everything. Since this is my soft glam look, I want to make sure my makeup stays in place all night or all day, and you know, just setting everything. And to add some warmth back to my skin, I'm taking the Essence Matte Bronzer Kit. I'm taking the 2 shades and mixing them together just to add that warmth back to my skin. To add a subtle blush, I'm taking the Ace Beauty Blush in Paradise. I can't talk today. Blush in Paradise palette. I'm just taking those 2 lighter shades, mixing them, and adding a little wash of color on my cheeks, on the apples of my cheeks. For highlight, I'm taking the Too Faced Sun Bunny little compact, and I'm just taking that lighter gold shade and using that as my highlight for the day. To set everything together, I'm taking my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush setting spray. I love this setting spray. It is so luxury. It's a luxury product, but it's really, really good. Like, I love the way my skin looks after using this. That's why I love to use it with this soft glam look. To smudge my little lash line, I'm taking the Coco from the Nude palette, and I'm going to smudge. Now I'm going to take that dark berry shade and I'm going to run that on my little lash line as well. To brighten my waterline, I'm taking the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner, and mine's in Super Bright. I'm just using that to make my eyes appear more wide and more alert, because I do have smaller eyes and I kind of want my eyes to look a little larger. I got a little mascara on my lids. I was applying the Lancome Monsieur Big, but I'm taking my Ardel Whispies and I'm applying some falsies. I'm taking this Wet n Wild Astrology highlighter and I'm using that for my inner corner highlight. To line my lips, I'm taking Jordana Coco Loco and I'm going to line really, really precise. I'm doing the ombre type of nude where my lip liner is very, very obvious. Then I'm going to take my Revolution Makeup lipstick in Cashmere and just apply it to the center. And on top of that, I'm taking this Vintage by Jessica Lebeskind lip gloss in the shade Pink Sequin. This is something I got on BoxyCharm, but it is such a nice lip gloss. It is beautiful. Guys, that is it for my soft glam makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!